Greetings and welcome to Horizon's software showcasing video. In this video, we will demonstrate all the functions and features of our landmark application while explaining to you why Horizon Incorporated software is the best solution on the market. Let's begin with the first feature, the registration and login feature. As presented on the screen, a user can log in with their email and password while having ease of mind that their credentials are safely stored in Google's Firebase. We've added additional security features such as password omitting and character length requirements, thus ensuring further security. If a user doesn't have an account, they can tap the register option at the bottom and then proceed to make an account as follows. Let's move on to the next feature, the navigation feature. This feature serves the user as a GPS. If I zoom in a little, I can see my current location is being tracked. Let's say I want to navigate to Commercial. I would need to tap on my destination and then select Start Navigating. We now see that a route has been mapped for us while offering direction on the top left. For example, when to turn left. We can also see at the bottom an estimated time of arrival and what the time will be when we reach our destination and the distance that is required to reach it. The navigation feature also offers a voice guide on the directions that will be needed to take in case a user cannot view their device while driving. At the top right, we can see two features that allow us to mute the voice GPS guide, as well as an option that allows users to send a report of any issues being experienced on the road or any inconsistencies in the application's mapping. Moving on to our next feature, the landmark feature. This feature contains many helpful and efficient functions that I will now guide you on how to use. I can tap on the bottom right to show my exact location. Notice that when I zoom in a bit further, that various points of interest are shown on the map. If I wish to search for a location that I would like to travel to, then I can simply type in the text box above by using the search feature. It will then display that location under the red placeholder. Now if I wish to travel there, I tap on my placeholder, then I tap on the to button over here. This creates a route for me to follow to reach my destination. If I tap again on the placeholder, it will display the distance required to reach my destination, as well as the duration it will take me to reach it. Notice at the bottom right that if I need proper directions to reach that location, I can click on this, which will open my Maps application and paste in my selected location of OmniMarker, then giving me directions to take to reach it, similar to our navigation feature. When a user needs to either visit a restaurant, hospital, or any statues, they can click on one of the three buttons over here. For example, I will click on the restaurant button, which will then display the nearby restaurants surrounding me. If I want to travel to any of these restaurants, I can tap on its blue placeholder, then tap on the to button, and it will route a path for me to follow. Horizon has ensured that its landmarking feature defines simplicity while providing the highest accuracy and readings for our users. The settings feature. The settings feature contains a variety of functions like the metric to imperial converter. If I need to change from metric to imperial, I just need to simply click the imperial button and save changes. Then go back to our home screen where we are now shown that Our units have indeed been switched. The settings feature also includes a help button, which if we click on will display a guide on how to use the application, and an about button that shows us exactly what this application does for the user. If we need to make adjustments to our profile, we can follow our next feature, the profile feature. This feature includes an option to change our email and password. If I wish to change my email, I can simply click this button and enter a new email. If I need to change my password, I can click on this button, enter my current password, and then enter my new password. Moving on to our first bonus feature, the currency converter feature. If our users wish to convert any form of currency to another, they would only need to specify the amount over here by selecting the type of currency. For example, I will select AUD and then specify my amount. On the line below, we need to select the currency we wish to convert to. I'll use rands for this. By clicking convert, we then see the converted amount appear on the bottom line in rands. We'll now access our next bonus feature, the safety and information feature. This feature contains general safety information and important phone numbers. Within general information, we are provided with many different safety guidelines, such as airport safety, accommodation safety, and street safety. Our users' safety is important to us, therefore it's vital that we've implemented this feature to educate them on safety practices. By tapping on important phone numbers, we are displayed with 3 different numbers for any situation the user may require emergency assistance with. When I click on ambulance or fire department, for example, it will immediately take me to my caller application. Horizon has implemented this feature for fast transition to the user's caller application to reduce delays in case of an emergency.